Hello everyone, today we make some small ship. Like this. I must change position of the ship. I use the shortcut F. Here you see place and face F. Okay, now I will rotate R, or click here. I will make them like that. Okay, shortcut 0. I make for 50% of the skull. Okay. I use the profile 0.28, Creality Hyper PLA, QIDI Pro with nozzle 0.4. Print settings. You see here the speeds for this object. Now I start to check how set up the speeds for the dimension of the object. I mean, if the object is bigger, it's faster the print. If it's smaller, I take down the setup for the speed. Take down the speeds, all. You see, infill is that same. Oh, but what we will need, ironing we will not need, skirt not need, support also not need for this. Here is speed. Let's change speed what I made. Multi-extruder. All is okay, it's only one extruder. This nozzle. Okay. And that's it. Filament settings is for fiber. Hyper PLA, you see, the cooling, flow metric 24 for this filament, override, retraction speed and the retraction speed. This is very important, the retraction speed, here like that. Okay, I will choose, I will make I will choose the variable layer height for quality, you see, adaptive, something like this. Okay, you see what layer is. 0.8 is minimum, it's okay. We make slice the product, 48 minutes, okay. Now I save the project, Ctrl S. These parameters, what we see. This is all for setup the G-code. And we go to print now. On this model I first test the new method for the speed print. The speed depends of model size. and I will make a few more models until see what happened with clogging. The printer finish make the model. Let's see how the model look. I see the method of the speed depends of size work. It's very nice. The tiles make good. I think I will use the method in the other models. The method make the print a little longer but more quality, and is less clogging for the extruder. Because of this I make this method. Thank you, subscribe my channel, and we make next more models. Bye bye.